Making math easy. Unraveling multiplication word problems. Hello, friends. Welcome back to our channel, where learning English is both fun and informative. Today, we're going to tackle an exciting topic: identifying multiplication situations. We're taking a trip into the world of mathematics, but don't worry, we'll be focusing on how English is used in this context, specifically multiplication word problems. So, let's dive right in. As we start, it's essential to know that word problems are just stories that involve numbers. In multiplication problems, we often encounter keywords that indicate a multiplication situation. Such words include times, every, at this rate, in all, total, and phrases like each group has. Look for these words in problems as a hint for multiplication. For example, John has 5 apples. He buys 3 more apples each day for 4 days. How many apples does he have in total? Here, the key phrase is each day, indicating a repeated addition, which leads us to multiplication. To solve a word problem, we need to understand the situation, identify the numbers involved, and figure out what operation to use. Here's an example. A baker bakes 6 loaves of bread every day for a week. How many loaves of bread does the baker bake in all? 1. Understanding the situation. A baker is baking bread every day for a week. 2. Identify the numbers. The numbers involved are 6 loaves of bread each day, and 7 days in a week. 3. Identify the operation. The keywords every day and in all point us towards multiplication. The word problem translates into the multiplication operation. 6 loaves per day by 7 days per week equals 42 loaves per week. Practice is key to mastering multiplication word problems. Let's try another example. A class has 4 rows of desks, with 6 desks in each row. How many desks are there in all? Again, each is the keyword indicating multiplication. The operation becomes 4 rows x 6 desks, row equals 24 desks. And that's a wrap. Today we've learned how to identify multiplication situations in English word problems. By focusing on the language used and practicing with different scenarios, you'll become a pro at understanding and solving these problems. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to tackle more multiplication word problems on your own. Thank you for joining us, and we hope that this video has been helpful to you. Keep learning, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.